Mastering slang with language exchange programs. Hey there, language enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into one of the coolest ways to learn English slang, through language exchange programs. Ever heard of them? If not, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what they are but also how they can be a game changer in understanding native slang and colloquialisms. Language exchange programs are platforms or meetings where two individuals who speak different native languages come together to teach and learn from each other. Imagine having a Spanish friend who wants to learn English, and you want to learn Spanish. You both exchange knowledge, helping each other out. When it comes to English, what better way to learn slang than directly from a native speaker? 1. Authenticity. Learning from a native means you get the slang words and phrases as they're actually used in real-life scenarios. 2. Personal touch. It's not just about learning words. It's about the stories, experiences, and contexts behind them. 3. Interactive learning. Instead of just memorizing words from a book or app, you get to use them in actual conversations. 4. Adaptability. Language changes. New slang terms pop up all the time. A native partner can keep you updated with the latest lingo. 1. Open-mindedness. Be ready to learn and unlearn. Slang can be different even within regions of the same country. 2. Ask questions. If you don't understand a term or its origin, ask. Most people love explaining the quirks of their language. 3. Share your slang. Exchange is a two-way street. Share colloquial terms from your language too. 4. Practice. Use the slang terms in conversations. It will help reinforce your learning. There you have it. Embracing language exchange programs can be a fun, interactive, and effective way to get a grip on English slang. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about understanding the culture and the people. And who better to guide you than a native? So, get out there, find a language buddy, and start exchanging. Happy learning!